Hi Sandy business owners, well we're at Lake Tekapo now and it's cool to be able to show you the lovely turquoise look of the water, which we can see a bit better here. We've got a northwest wind blowing, and what happens in New Zealand is you get a northwest wind. It blows really hard in the mountains and causes all sorts of mayhem. There'll be rain and snow up on the main divide of the Southern Alps. But after that, after it's blown through, you get sometimes really cold weather coming through and then settled weather. So we're hoping that if we hunker down here for a few days, we'll reap the rewards of some very nice views after that. Lake Tekapo is a terminal lake, again formed by a glacier that was once right down here. You can see the moraine that the glacier has left. So strong, I'm sheltering behind a big glacial rock next to me because the wind is really strong today. So yeah, Judy and I are going to hunker down